So I presented the updated results on the phase 1 study of subcutaneous Alnuctamab in relapsed refractory myeloma patients who've had 3 or more lines of therapy. Now, what's unique about this product, it's a BCMA BiTE, but it has 2 binding sites on BCMA, which makes it unique from the other FDA-approved BCMA BiTEs. Also, the schedule is a little bit different, where we give 2 step-up dosing and then the target dose on day 8, and then weekly dosing for 3 cycles, and then every other week dosing for the next 3 cycles. And with cycle 7, you're actually going to monthly treatment. So those are some of the key features that makes this a little bit different than the other BiTEs. Now, at a median follow-up, I'll start with the efficacy. The median follow-up of about a year, so 11.7 months, there was an overall response rate in the 30 milligram target dose of 67%, which is very promising. And what is even nicer is that most of those responses are durable. So the majority of the patients are still having ongoing response to this date. The median progression-free survival for that 30 milligram target dose is 10.4 months. And those are the efficacy results. Now, when we look at the safety profile, it's also quite manageable, actually. So the main things we're looking at, right, the CRS rates. So that was 55% at the 30 milligram target dose. And the majority of those were manageable. So only grade 1 and 2, no grade 3 toxicity and CRS. Infections also, something that might be a result of not as long follow-up with the other bispecifics, but we only saw 17% of severe infections, so grade 3 and above. So that was encouraging, but again, more follow-up will be needed. Now, neurotoxicity was only seen in 2 patients, what we describe as ICANS, and it was all grade 1 and resolved. So this drug is very manageable, has a good safety profile, comparable, if not slightly better in terms of infection risk. Again, hard to compare, we need a longer follow-up. And the efficacy is very promising. And again, the median duration of response has not been reached. So I think we're very excited to see longer-term follow-up. There is a phase 3 that is now currently in development in the earlier lines.